Hi everybody, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the list of all your Windows softwares and applications that requires an update. So let's start. First thing, click on Start, type CMD and click Run as a administrator. Click Yes. Here type Winget upgrade. Hit Enter. Then type Y for yes and wait a little bit. So here, as you can see, Windows listed down the all applications and softwares that requires an update. For example, Cisco WebEx meetings, its current version is 43.7.0, but available version is 44.4.0.159. If you want to update all of them, then type again winget upgrade dash dash all and hit enter. Again type yes, and now the updates will be downloaded automatically and it will be installed as well. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.